This is Dylan Miller with Heyday Wake Boat, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install your plug-and-play ballast bag. Now I'm going to show you how to install one of our most popular added options, a 650-pound plug-and-play ballast bag located in the ski locker that fills automatically after the hard tanks. This is a great option for people looking to have competition-sized wake surf and wakeboard wakes. First, you're going to take the ballast bag out of the box. Next, you're going to lay the ballast bag flat in the ski locker with the logo faced up. Once you have the bag in position, you'll need to find the fill/drain line in the ski locker and remove the plug. Slide the red clip back towards the hose and pull firmly on the plug. Next, attach the fill/drain line to the fitting located at the bottom back section of the bag. Now do the same thing with the vent line, which is located at the other end of the ski locker. Remove that plug as well and attach it to the fitting located at the top front section of the bag. Be sure to push both red clips firmly down to lock them on and ensure they don't disconnect unexpectedly. Now all you need to do is hit the switch and watch it while it fills and drains automatically. Thanks for tuning in. This is Dylan Miller, and for more information, visit HeydayWakeBoats.com.